Okay, see this big tree here? It is big, right? Very big, very tall. Way up there must be a nest of a bird. And in the driveway, we have a dirt driveway and an asphalt driveway. And in the dirt driveway was one bird that my son found, and it was dead, a baby bird. And then a few minutes later, another one. These are not the mailbox birds, of course. This is a little bit older bird. Let's see if I can get a focus. There we go. He was in shock, but he seems to be doing much better. A little itty bitty thing. It's finally moving around. I've done this before with quail eggs that were on the easement where power poles were going, and the nest had 6 eggs, and I got 2 of them to live. So I'm going to get it a worm and feed it a worm. So, I mean, I obviously can't go up that high to a tree and put it back in the nest. So it's almost ready to fly. It's just not quite there yet. So it must have just fell out with the other one. Oh my goodness. Yeah, he's wide awake now. I'm thinking that's the mother. I'm going to try and focus in on that right there. And see if I can get her. There is a bird here freaking out. She's looks like maybe a finch, maybe. She has a little yellow chest. Let's see if this one starts walking again. Maybe she'll come down here. How awful for her. I know. Mommy's not happy, but Okay, there's Mom. Let's see if I can get her. Oh, she's pretty. And he's like, give me my baby. She's right there in the ground. Can you see her? Yeah, she's tiny. A tiny mommy. Oh. All right.